Children, I will tell you some sentences using the structure going to. For example, I am going to finish my work. I am going to tell you a story. I am going to attend a party, like this. You have to tell me some other examples. Who will tell me first? Yes, Gautam.
I am going to complete the work.
I am going to complete the work. Yes, Maithili.
She is going to speak about Chacha Nehru.
She is going to speak about Chacha Nehru. Pujita.
I am going to take meals.
I am going to take meals. Rasi.
He is going to attend a meeting.
He is going to attend a meeting. Yes, Banu.
I am going to attend a marriage.
I am going to attend a marriage. Right. Naveen.
They are
Going to complete the work. Meghavarshita.
I am going to speak about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
I am going to speak about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Mokshita.
She is going to attend a function.
She is going to attend a function. Yes, Manju.
I am going to speak about Gandhiji.
I am going to speak about Gandhi. Right. Very good. Claps.